Hey guys, it's Marcus from Stealth LED. Today we're going to be unboxing and installing our 21-inch grille kit on this lovely Land Rover Defender 2020. So, all our kits come in a stylish branded Stealth LED box. But let's take a look at what's inside. Every kit comes with a handy step-by-step installation guide. Stainless steel mounted brackets, installation hardware, wiring looms, and a wireless control fob. Also included in every kit is a Stealth LED sticker, Stealth LED lanyard, and of course a Stealth LED keyring to attach to your control fob. But the main event, our 21-inch grille light. All our Stealth kits come with an installation difficulty rating. We've rated this kit a 2 out of 5, which means with even basic DIY skills, you can fit this kit without any issues. All our brackets mount to existing points on the vehicle, no cutting or drilling required. This 21-inch integration kit is discreetly mounted behind the grille, becoming almost invisible when not in use. Now that we've installed the light and checked it's all secure, let's take it out on the road. So, this 21-inch grille kit delivers an impressive 16,800 lumens, perfect for enhancing both safety and visibility on work sites and for nighttime driving. The impact and scratch resistant polycarbonate lens, along with the UV protective hard coating, ensure maximum durability. Plus, it's E-marked, so it's fully road legal. So now that you've seen this kit in action, head over to our website and check out our full range of Stealth products.